Technic Boss says hello to a new video. Today we show you a hidden menu for your Philips TV. What exactly is that? What you drive there? As always after the intro. We have a Philips TV here. In my case it is an MB Lite, an OLED, the Series 7000. But it also works with the older models. And here we want to show you a hidden menu where you can read all the information about your TV. As I said, it also works with the older models. Don't worry, you can't adjust anything here. Here you only learn everything about your TV. This is very easy. You switch to Live TV and press the remote control 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. Then this window appears here. Here we see everything. We see our model here, IE55 OLED 706. And if we go down to the second page, you see the software. You see here which firmware version is on it, the correct model name. Then there is a third page. We see the signal quality here. Whether we have child protection on, yes or no. Or we also see our MAC address and also the HDMI sources. That means nothing is connected here now. We see that too. And we also see the duration of our TV. In this case, it has been running for 2 hours and 12 minutes. So that is also visible here. And as I said, we also see complete date here. That is also possible, so there are various ways to read the whole thing. And that with just a simple code. As I said, don't worry, you can't adjust anything here. Here you only see information about your TV. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you will always be up to date. Technic Bao says thank you for watching and goodbye.